Hi everybody, this is just a short video. I'm going to run my two DCC steam tank cars, AT&SF. One of them is 101, and the other tank car, I don't remember the number. I'm just going to move it up and check. Oh, they're both cab number 101. Okay, yeah, I see it at the front here. So these are DCC. They're really nice. I'm just going to control the light right now, on and off. There we go. And I'm going to move them forward a little bit, just at slow speed. Give me 1 second. There we go. I'm just using my NCE Pro Cab right now. I'm not using my Bachmann controller. So let's put them in reverse. Okay, and now let's go forward. And I always, with all engines on my channel, I put them in reverse so you can see it. The backup light come on. I just slowed it down there, just so you can see it a bit slower and take in the beauty of these really nice little steam engines, these little cows. Just really, really beautiful engines. They run smoothly, and they actually can pull quite a bit too. Here, I only have these at quarter speed, and they just run nicely. I'm gonna go to full speed, and then I'm gonna back them up. Let's back up. Nice. There's the other one there. And let's go back to forward again. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.